Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change your picture in Real Boxing 2. If you want to change your profile picture in Real Boxing 2, then first open your Real Boxing 2 application on your preferred device. Once you've done it, from the main home page, tap on your profile icon right next to your name at the top left. Now tap on your picture one more time at the top left, and then you should be able to see an option to change your avatar. Slide to look for the avatar you would want to change to, and once you find the one you are willing to change to, tap on the change button right under the profile avatar. Soon after you do that, you should be able to change your avatar or your profile picture in Real Boxing 2. You can now close off this screen and you'll be able to see your profile picture change. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture or your picture in Real Boxing 2. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.